In this quick video, I will show you how to share videos or photos with your friends using the Google Drive. Firstly, open the Google Drive. You can click on these 9 dots and here find option Drive. Once we have this opened, on the left click on New and New Folder and name the new folder. Once it's created, I can see here the folder and now click on this to share. You can add people here by typing the email address, or you can copy link here, send it to the friend and click on done. And it will look like this. I have this folder shared with my friend. Here you can set the role, viewer, commenter or editor. Editor can add and edit files, and only you and a friend with the link can see the videos and photos in this Drive folder. It's very easy way to share videos or files as quickly as possible. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you find it helpful. See ya next time.